A quick guide to selecting the right photos for your avatars. Here are some tips on selecting the right photos. Images should be sharp, well-focused, and well-lit. Avoid any blurriness or pixelation to make sure your subject is easily recognizable. Use portrait photos, typically from the shoulders up, capturing your face and expression clearly. Make sure to upload multiple photos of the same person. Different settings or poses are great, as they ensure consistency in the subject for better avatar generation. Photos should have plain backgrounds. This helps to focus solely on the subject without any distractions. A solid color or simple scene with no distracting elements works best. Finally, include head tilts and angles. Capturing the subject's head in various tilts and angles provides different perspectives, which can help in generating more dynamic avatars. Avoid using photos with these issues. Avoid close-up selfies. These photos are too close to the subject and can distort facial features. Photos with an open mouth are not ideal. They can make it difficult to generate accurate avatars. Intense facial expressions should be avoided. Neutral expressions work best for avatar generation. Blurry photos are a no-go. They lack the clarity needed for high-quality avatars. Group photos are not recommended. Focus on single subject images for the best results. Avoid full-length photos. Portrait-style images from the shoulders up are preferred. Photos with covered faces are not suitable. The subject's face should be clearly visible. Animal photos are not appropriate for avatar generation. Stick to human subjects. Monotonous photos with bland backgrounds should be avoided. Use photos with some contrast and interest. Finally, avoid nudes. These images are not acceptable and should not be used.